Now I'm coming to feed them. So all of them are eating, and it's time that I can go up there to bring the food for the kittens that I see. So I just keep the food back to my bag. Okay, and I will bring some biscuit here, a bunch. They all done. Ông khơi cay mà khai so nó đấy. Bắt pin ngay vậy. Mới khai so câu mà. So they are eating. I just asked him the monk because I didn't see one dog. That's the one he's very happy and excited when I'm coming, because I didn't see him for 2 days, yesterday and today. So sad. So now I'm coming here. The food that I dropped yesterday is finished, so it means the kitten is coming to eat. So I just threw because I cannot go there. It's no way to go there. It's blocked over there, and then the food I have to throw there. Yeah, I have to throw like that. Oh, so okay, it's there already. So the food that I threw there yesterday is gone. So the kitten came to eat. But it's no water. I don't know how to keep the water. I think maybe the kitten can come down sometime to drink the water down there. So because the animal, if staying without water and food, cannot survive themselves for a week. They can stay for a week. So I'm coming back to feed the other. I already feed the dog. I don't see one dog. I don't see him. I feel not good today because I don't see him for 2 days already. Yesterday I don't see him, and then I hope today I'm coming back and see him, but I don't see him. I don't know who I can ask, because when I'm asking someone, he said he doesn't know. He's always waiting for me around this place at the back, and I don't see him. It's so sad. Just want this. Ông chả. Ông chả. No one can answer me. No one reply. Ông khơi Skype ở Khmer So nữa đấy.មួយដែលខ្មែរសណាមួយដែលស្គមខ្មែរសដែលតែនៅតែខាងក្រោយដល់ពេលយើងដាក់បាយទៅវាលោតរហូតចាប់សោយណាបងព្រះអង្គចាក់វាចេញមក2ថ្ងៃហើយកណារកអត់ឃើញទេអត់បាយហើយអញ្ចឹងចាំបានសោយចាក់លោកមុនទៅមួយថ្ងៃហ្នឹងហើយពួកអីអត់ឃើញ2ថ្ងៃហើយដាច់បាយឆ្កែអត់បាយអត់ទឹកងើបណាបងជួយចាក់ប្រឡែងមកHe told me that dog is might be stuck in a room in there because he sleep with the monk in a room. I hope he's coming back. Oh my God. So he's looking for the key to open for bring him outside. I hope he's coming out tomorrow. We try to find a way to have. Okay, thank you so much for watching video from my YouTube channel. Please share and subscribe to have more video. Thank you for your support. See you next video. Thank you.